Sony acquires a minority stake in Epic Games for $250 million. Now, I saw this headline and I thought to myself, $250 million, Epic got to be worth a few more bucks than that. Epic's got to be worth, I didn't even put a number on it. That's how big of a number I assumed Epic was worth. And it turns out I was right. Apparently, this $250 million equates to like 2% or something of the company.
Okay. Yeah.
So Epic is just madness right now. I don't know if you heard of a particular video game that I know a lot of people have been playing this video game. I don't know if you heard about it. It's colorful. It's a battle royale style game. It's got all the youngsters, and it's just got everybody. It's on mobile. Epic made that game.
Forte?
Fork knife. Isn't that a funny term? Yeah. Forte. Anyway, so Epic is moving they're moving in the right direction. I think we can say that. They've had just tremendous success recently. And Sony kind of wants a piece of it. And what do I mean by a piece of it? If you take a 1 or 2% stake in a company, you're not really gathering that much influence. But what you're really doing is saying, let's align our goals. What you're really saying is give us a seat at the table so that we can, moving forward, have more information from you so we can make our adjustments and tinker with our products and projects so that they can line up better to provide better experiences. So, of course, Sony has invested in other game developers. We're well aware of this in even bigger ways where they could influence even more of what's going on in there. And you're not going to do that with Epic because Epic is enormous, but this is a way of them just aligning themselves a little bit better. So there's this controversy that sort of emerged because apparently the CEO, Tim Sweeney, was accused of showcasing Unreal Engine 5 on the PS5 demo only because he was getting his cash from Sony. That's what they said is the only reason you show it off on a PS5. Because the way it goes with this Unreal Engine stuff, Will, it's tremendous. You get this, you build this engine, and then you just count the money as the other companies build on top of it. So he says, no, these negotiations is not connected, whatever else, which is fine. I mean, look, there's so many connections in these things. There's so much working together. Who knows who says what and why?
Yeah.
But the fact of the matter is they've partnered to some degree. Epic's powerful technology in areas such as graphics places them at the forefront of game engine development with Unreal Engine and other innovations. There's no better example of this than the revolutionary entertainment experience Fortnite. And that comes from Sony's president and CEO, Kenichiro Yoshida. All right? So if you got Ken from Sony saying that about you, that's a partnership right there.
Yeah.
You got the best interest in mind, and who knows what they can do now. Now, some people might be afraid. They say, oh, the Sony version of something's going to be better. Or the Sony, you know what I'm saying over here? But who really knows? We don't know how it's going to map. We don't know how it's going to play. But one thing I can tell you is $250 million extra bucks for Epic to just throw in the war chest and work on that next project. Because they're just, it's unbelievable.